Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Leaf HVAC scheduling data on NissanConnect, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Leaf HVAC scheduling data on NissanConnect, ensure your vehicle is parked in a secure location. Open the NissanConnect application on your smartphone. Log in to your NissanConnect account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Look for the Vehicle section and select it to access your vehicle's details. Locate the option labeled HVAC Scheduling. Tap on HVAC Scheduling to view your current settings. Now, review the HVAC schedules currently set in the app. To back them up, take screenshots of each scheduling setting displayed. Alternatively, write down the schedule details for each day of the week. After capturing all necessary data, exit out of the HVAC scheduling section. Next, navigate back to the main home screen of the NissanConnect app. From there, select Data Management to see backup options. If available, initiate any provided backup feature for your HVAC data. If no automatic option is given, refer to your screenshots or notes for manual backup. Ensure that your data is securely recorded before proceeding. Lastly, log out of your NissanConnect account after completing the backup process. Double-check your recorded data to confirm nothing is missing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.